Hear wrenching out here. What the heck you working on now?
It's bumper time.
Bumper time.
Bumper time.
So that thing's coming off?
It sure is.
Oh boy.
1, 2, 3. I don't know how I'm supposed to get that tall one over there.
Didn't we take the black piece off?
Yeah, that probably just pops right off.
Okay.
Why you want it off?
Yeah, take it off so you can look down through the top and see where the bolts are.
Wow, that seemed like it was really secure on there.
Yeah, probably the latch of the hood.
Is that bumper even going to be off before it's dark?
Look.
What?
In there.
What are you looking at? Did you even...
There's lights there.
He expects there to be enough light in this out here to record this video with those 2 little spotlights right there. You gotta scream right in my ear.
Put your hand on this bolt under here and tell me if that head's turning. Over here. Put your hand up there on that nut and tell me if that... Not the first one, you want to go to the second one.
I'm gonna keep my finger in. Huh? Hey, you better watch, man. That's the last bolt here. That thing gonna drop down.
You're going to pull them out before they drop.
Well, don't pull them puppies out.
Here, you lay under here and undo them.
No.
Send it 69. Who wrote that?
Good old Johnny.
Johnny boy.
Johnny boy.
I guess he's watching this video since he heard his name now.
Yeah, he is.
Comments?
I got to get a hammer.
For what?
Fine tuning.
Man, puppy, oh!
Paulie D's gonna hammer your bumper off.
Ain't nobody need this. Hey, anybody wants this $50 OBO? That don't come with the horsepower. You go buy your own. I'm keeping that.
Okay. He's keeping the Cummins front plate. $50 or best offer for a stock bumper.
I'll sign it. I'll get it for an extra 50.
They're both connected together.
Yeah, no, I got both of them off.
Both of them are not totally off?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you throwing at me? He's pushing down on the. He's pushing down on the bumper, and you're under it.
Hold on. I'm shaking it.
So gonna fall off on him?
Here.
Come on, I got a hold of it. It's aluminum.
You were just pushing down on it.
I'm shaking it.
It's off, boys. No.
What?
Are all 3 off on that side?
Nope. No, there's one more down in here. There's the one that I couldn't get off.
Is it coming off?
Yeah, I had to redneck it.
You rednecked it?
Yeah, slip that pipe up there.
What is that?
Piece of copper pipe.
Oh, she's coming.
Hold on. All the bolts on the other side? No, you gotta pull them out yet. You got them slid out of this side, right?
What the heck you look so mad for?
I'm laying on the jungles of Africa. Bamboo.
You got that puppy?
Yeah. Grab that corner. Pull it.
Oh man. Wow, you hear all that rust fall out of there.
That's rustic start.
Why don't you just roll it like that?
Yeah, why not?
Who needs a new bumper? I don't see nothing wrong with that.
You're here, folks. $50, $100 sign. I'll even give you a little piece of the bamboo jungle over here. Wow. Look at that sunset, boys.
Remember the sneak peek in that last video? Well, there it is right there. All welded up and put together and freshly painted. Got the LED light pods in there.
Line me up. Come on, Scotty.
I don't know how this is supposed to go.
It's gotta go all the way back to those line up. Or we gotta put it down and flip it up.
Alright, up now.
You gotta push it up.
Another late night mechanics at the Kehm household.
Can't short, not noise. Daylight. Okay.
Always working in the dark here.
Yeah.
Always in the dark. Hey, I guess your lights came in handy.
What lights?
What lights? The ones you just turned on.
Yeah, I know, huh?
I guess we're gonna have to get some more shots of the newly put on bumper tomorrow when it's actually light out to do it justice, because as you know, recording in the dark does not provide good quality. So tomorrow coming now.
Can you come on?
What?
Let's go.
All right, I guess we got to film the introduction, the second reintroduction in this video. I'd like to give a little apology because there's been a large time gap between the last clip that you just saw and this one, mainly because I started school. I'm sure you can see the change in the weather behind us since it's now fall, but I just wanted to give a little restart to what happened in this video. So as you see, his new thick with 2 C's bumper is now on this truck. And would you like to say anything about it?
What am I saying?
I don't know. What do you think of your new bumper?
It's pretty dope. It's deer proof.
Deer proof.
It's a move bumper.
What about those?
Makes the deer move.
Makes the deer move.
Yeah.
What about those lights you got on there? I don't know if they saw them in the last clip. I can't remember. Apparently I'm not a good creator since I can't remember my last clip.
Color LEDs, light bar, 20-inch.
20-inch light bar. And 2 LED pods on each side. Really makes the truck pop at night. We'll get some night shots of them all lit up here soon. Maybe we'll do a little cinematic shot after we're done talking here.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else?
Nah.
That's it? There you have it, folks. Hey, so how you turn those little fancy lights on up here?
Comes with a fancy remote.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Not the light bar. Box. Okay, folks.
Some
What color of the rainbow you want?
Color of the rainbow.
You want some orange? Uh-oh. What about some yellow, boys? Uh-oh.
Black and yellow.
What about some blue? Uh-oh. More blue? Uh-oh.
Oh.
What about some purple? Uh-oh. Pink? Uh-oh.
Don't they got some crazy effects on there?
They sure do.
They sure do. Let's see them, right? Oh, look at that. Look at that. What about that big old light bar in the middle there?
Has a toggle switch inside.
Toggle switch?
Yeah.
You ever blind anybody with it?
Very few.
Very
If they're
few.
running high beams at me, I turn that on.
Oh, maybe there's a glitch in the system here. Looks like they're going wild. Look at that. It all came together really nice.
They also have normal.
Oh, there you go.
And you can add
There's normal fog lights.
color around them.
Add color around the normal lights when they're on. It's hard to tell in daylight, but we'll get some nighttime shots here soon. Solid.
Can you come on?
What?
Why's it taking you so long to finish this?
To finish this? He just asked me why it took me so long to finish filming this.
Is it because Mission Barbecue reopened?
What's Mission Barbecue?
You don't know what Mission Barbecue
No.
is?
Is it like a restaurant or something? They sell barbecue?
They don't sell barbecue stuff.
Why not? Why is it in its name?
It's illegal to sell barbecue sauce here.
Why is that its name?
I don't know. I didn't invent it.
Did you tell me yesterday that if you mention barbecue in their establishment / restaurant, I'm assuming that they kick you out?
Yep, you get a fine, kick you out.
They don't. Get out of here.
I'm being serious.
Why were they closed?
They ran out of barbecue sauce.
Get out of here. You ever eat there?
No.
Then why'd you bring it up?
Because that's where you work.
I don't work there.
Yeah, you don't work there, you eat there.
Hey, so I was doing some little cinematic shooting here, Nate, and I noticed that there's a little drippy drip. A little drippy drip right there. You want to explain that?
About 2 weeks ago,
2 weeks ago.
My power steering pump blew up.
You mean the one that's been leaking since you had the truck and you spent about $50 in power steering fluid? You spent about
We're talking about $130.
$130 in power steering fluid. No, you didn't.
Yeah.
And how much was the fix?
About $4.
$4. And you spent $130 in power steering fluid.
Yep.
Wow. So if you fixed it, what's that?
There's about, I'd say, a full bottle of power steering fluid still up on them arms, all up in there.
From it leaking out?
Yeah.
Wow.
The last 2 years. As you can see, all them shiny arms down there. That ain't shiny paint, boys. That's shiny fluid.
The things we go through to get good cinematic shots.
Yep.
Yeah, clean those leaves out, boy. It's supposed to be a show truck. Is it a show truck? Why not? You can make it one. Look here, not at the screen. Right here.
Uh-huh.
Don't yell at me.
Uh-huh.
Hey, so we came up with a little proposition here. Since Johnny, his buddy, likes his name mentioned in every video, we might do a little Easter egg type game if our channel gets big enough. So what did you say when we mentioned Johnny? Whoever finds Johnny
in the videos, he could be lurking in the background.
He can be lurking in the back. You can go scurrying across the screen real quick, like instantly. I can speed up the clip so you don't really see him. What else?
You never know where he's gonna be.
Even if his name's mentioned, he might not be in the video, but it's a little Easter egg type clue that you should look out for him.
Uh-huh.
That doesn't mean he's in this one. He might be. That means you just gotta go back and rewatch the video. And what do they get if they see Johnny? The first person that comments, if they see Johnny,
at the exact time and second.
You got to give the time, the minute and second, down below in the comments when you see Johnny. The first person that comments that, what do they get?
You get a free sticker.
A free sticker.
Uh-huh.
Big old game coming to you from the Kehm boys.
Gotta get us doing enough subscribers.
Yeah, we're almost at 200. Almost at 200. Who knows? By the time I upload this video, we might be past 200. Since he always rats on me for taking so long to edit. Right?
Yep.
Yep. But there you go. Subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. It helps us grow, and maybe if I get big enough, I'll get a little more dedicated the editing faster, which I feel like I should be regardless, right? Because people really seem to like this diesel stuff. So, get some more.
They don't like that old car junk. Old people don't watch old cars. They don't got YouTube. They don't got a computer.
They don't have YouTube?
No.
Work?
No.
They don't even have a computer?
No.
How do you know?
No. Does old people on our street have computers? Probably not.
Why are you closing your eye?
It's bright out here, boys.